Right, this is the big breaking news coming in from the Supreme Court that has adjourned the hearing where the centre and the Delhi Lieutenant Governor were to respond to the Supreme Court's question on how to resolve the Delhi deadlock. The next hearing has been scheduled for the 10th of October. There was a lot of anticipation around this particular hearing today to really know what the centre tells the Supreme Court and what the Supreme Court decides further. Of course, there was a lot of excitement considering the sting operation that the Aam Aadmi Party Council was to present to the Supreme Court. We still need to really know what the Supreme Court said as far as that particular point that the Aam Aadmi Party has put forth is concerned. The hearing has now been scheduled for the 10th of October. Remember, this is in continuance of what the Aam Aadmi Party had done. They had moved the Supreme Court, asking the Supreme Court really to intervene in the Delhi deadlock. We have Jaskirat Singh Bawa joining us from the Supreme Court with the details. Jaskirat, what happened inside the Supreme Court? We'll get Jaskirat on the phone line in a short while from now, but this is the latest that is coming in from the Supreme Court. They've adjourned the hearing where the centre and the Delhi Lieutenant Governor were to respond to the Supreme Court's question on how to resolve the Delhi deadlock. There was a lot of speculation really over what the government would tell the Supreme Court today. And let's get in a word from Jaskirat Singh Bawa. He's been reporting from the Supreme Court since morning. Jaskirat, what happened inside Supreme Court today?
Well, if I can just relate to you what the government counsel informed the Supreme Court. He informed them that there is a letter written by the Lieutenant Governor to the President on the 4th of September, which is just a few days ago, which expressed, which sought the President's consultation about the Delhi government formation. In that letter, it is reported that he said that there is a single largest party which is interested, not just the single largest party which exists, but the single largest party that is interested in the formation of government, perhaps implying the BJP government. And I must add that the BJP counsel also in the court told the Supreme Court that if the BJP is invited, we will decide on the matter and consider it at the earliest without wasting any time. The reason for the choice of those words is because the Supreme Court today expressed its intention that they intend that a government formation in Delhi or the elections in lieu of that should be done at the very earliest. Now, this came in response of the centre trying to tell the Supreme Court in very polite terms that the Aam Aadmi Party was trying to drag it into a political process and that the Supreme Court should perhaps take a step back and allow the political process to continue. For now, the matter has been adjourned to the 10th of October.
What happened inside Supreme Court and, of course, the political implications of it all after this very short break.